In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make new Invoice ID Odoo. We'll begin from the Odoo home screen. From there, open the accounting area, or in some layouts, you may see it labeled as Invoices. This is where customer billing and invoice management are handled, so it's the right place to create a new invoice that will later receive its Invoice ID. Once you're inside accounting, click on Customers and then choose Invoices. This takes you to the customer invoice list, where you can review existing records and start a new one. To create a fresh invoice, click New. Now you'll begin filling out the invoice details. In the customer field, search for the customer using a name or tax ID, then select the correct record. After that, add the invoice date. This date is important because it helps define when the invoice is issued and can affect reporting and accounting periods. Next, enter the due date, or if your workflow uses preset terms, choose the payment terms instead. Either option tells Odoo when payment is expected, so use the one that matches your company's billing process. Then choose a journal. The journal determines where the transaction is recorded in your accounting system, so make sure you select the correct one for customer invoicing. After the basic information is set, click on Invoice Lines. This is where you define what the customer is being charged for. Click Add a Line, then choose a product. Odoo will usually pull in related details such as description, pricing, or taxes depending on your setup, which can save time and reduce manual entry. You'll also see options to add a section and add a note. A section helps organize the invoice visually, which is useful if you want to group items. A note can be used to include extra information for the customer without affecting the invoice totals. There's also a catalog option which lets you browse products in a more visual way. If you open the catalog, simply click back to Invoice when you're done to return to the invoice form. Next, review the additional tabs. Click on Journal Items to view the accounting entries linked to the invoice. Then click Other Info to check any extra settings or background details tied to the record. If needed, click Send Message to add a communication related to the invoice. Finally, click Send, and then click the Save icon to store your work. Once the invoice is saved and processed in Odoo, the system can assign the invoice ID according to your configured sequence. That's the complete process for creating a new invoice in Odoo and setting it up so the invoice ID is generated correctly.